Hello, and welcome to another walkthrough from Web Wonks. Today, we're going to talk about Microsoft Clarity and how you can utilize this tool to create funnels that can easily understand how the users are flowing through the website, and also how you can use the heat maps and understand where the people are missing out, not clicking, or not engaging on your website. So there is a very good AI tool that you can use within Clarity to summarize your heat maps as well. So we will go through that today. I'll share my screen. So here you can say I'm actually in Clarity account for one of our accounts, and you would see they do not currently have any funnel set up right now. So what you can do to set up a new funnel when you already have the data or when you are starting to aggregate the data as well, you click on New Funnel. So for example, it will actually ask you whether you want these funnel to have some smart events or you want to have it by page visits. So you can distinguish each and every page with people flowing through one page to another. It could be people signing up to newsletter, going through the checkout process, doing some other important contact form submissions that you want them to engage with. So you can create that funnel to understand how these people are actually flowing through the website. One of the good ways to do it also using the smart events. Here, for example, let's start with if somebody has added something to the cart, did they took it to checkout, did they begin the checkout, and did they end up purchasing it? So if I do that, this is where the funnel steps are done. If I go next, here you can see this is my checkout funnel, and you can save that. Here it has been saved. So now if you go to your dashboard, you will see it actually has automatically segmented this data for you in a funnel as well. You don't have to, it's not like it's only going to report from the day when the reporting started. So it's already picking up the data for the last 30 days that you had in there for this funnel as well. So it's very powerful that way. So, and then you can go, for example, because this is our first step for adding to the cart. Everyone obviously reached that part, but then you will see people who didn't reach this step or people who didn't reach the begin checkout. So very interesting to see that people who didn't reach this step has got separate reporting as compared to people who reached this step. So that actually brings us to the second step of like understanding where these people are dropping. So if you click on 70% in reach this step, you click on that, it will actually segment that or add a filter for you for all those users who have not reached the checkout step. If you go to the recordings, you will be able to see all the recordings which are associated to these users who have not done that step. You can easily click on here. You can either select the top 10 recordings, because obviously this will take time for you to go and watch each and every video and find out where these people are not doing what you want them to do. You can actually summarize them straight away by clicking here, click on top 10 recordings, which are located here, or you can do customize select. If you do customize select, it will ask you which select you want to do. So you can say this one and that one and select all the ones, and you can click generate. In our case, let's just summarize the top 10 recordings. You click on that. Oh, did not want to work that way. Let's give it a refresh and go to the same one. And now go summarize the top 10 recordings. And it's going to do that now. So you would see where people were able to do it correctly, where people were not able to do correctly, what were the key takeaways that we should be looking at. So it's very powerful that it actually does that and actually shows you each and every recording for that purpose as well, where that JavaScript error was and whatever that issue was as well. And you can do something similar with the heat maps as well. So you can go to Heatmaps. I'm still using that funnel, and these are what people have been viewing on that particular page or on that funnel. So you would see we got the home page, we got other pages. If I go to that particular one, let's go there. And then you go summarize this heat map because you don't know what else is there. You just go summarize heat maps. And in here, it will actually show you where people are clicking on, where people are not clicking on, where we can make improvements to make changes as well. So that's very powerful tool in way how you can use Clarity along with your Google Analytics reporting as well, and get to delve into or dive into a lot of data of what's happening on the website and what you should be looking at. I hope you found this useful, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.